Hey bookkeepers, it's Trudy from Maven. Bookkeeping is a game, and like any game, there are rules. Break them and you lose. Follow them and you win. Big. So here are the 5 rules for playing the bookkeeping game. Rule number 1, and this is a quote one of my old bosses used to say all the time, and I love it. Don't play the game if you can't keep score. If you can't track your own business numbers, you have no business managing someone else's. Your own books should be current, clean, and review ready. The scoreboard in this game is your own P&L, balance sheet, and cash flow. If you're not watching them, you're playing blind. Rule number 2, in-person networking is not optional. You can't build a sustainable client base behind your computer. And I know you don't want to hear that, but here's the undeniable, irrefutable truth. Business is about relationships, and relationships are built, fortified, and converted to trust in person, not online. So show up at BNI, chamber events, industry meetups. They're all over the place. That part you can find online. Face-to-face builds faster than any cold calling or emailing ever will, and that includes social media. Referrals come from relationships, and relationships come from showing up. Rule number 3, keep learning the playbook because rules change, software updates, tax codes shift, and client industries evolve. You can't keep running last year's plays and expect to stay competitive. Attend workshops, join seminars, keep your skills fresh so that you can anticipate changes instead of reacting to them. Go to conventions, make it fun, but keep learning and never stop. And that goes hand in hand with our stance at Maven to become obsessed with self-improvement because you cannot go wrong. Rule number 4, SOPs, standard operating procedures, are not optional. Systems and processes aren't just for big companies. Your SOPs are your playbook. They keep your work consistent, error-free, and scalable, and that is what makes you reliable. And reliability is what gets you your referrals. And the referrals are what bring the revenue. Without the structure that SOPs create, consistency is just a notion. Every task is a coin toss, and you can't win the game on luck. Rule number 5, protect the ball. In bookkeeping, the ball is your credibility. You're handling sensitive financial data, client strategies and struggles, and sometimes they're very survival. One breach of trust, a missed deadline, a careless error, and you've fumbled. Guard your credibility like a championship trophy. Here's this week's challenge. Pick one rule that you've been either bending or breaking and fix it. Because in this game, the scoreboard never lies, and the best bookkeepers don't just play. They play to win. And winning is the objective of every game. Up next, calculating risk. This is a skill set, folks, and a lot of people get paid a lot of money to understand it. So let's introduce you to it here in a way that relates directly to your bookkeeping business. I'll see you there.